si Zia, tsaka si Zadie.
Okay po, fareway lang po.
Thank you.
Hey, that is me, Siana.
Hello, Ziana. Can I order, please?
Yes. What is this made out of vegetables?
It's so loud. Yes.
May I take your order?
Let me order, what do you like, ma'am? Order mo, ma'am.
The whole menu.
Available na yung McChicken.
Chicken.
McChicken yung sandwich.
Chicken. With fries and drinks po.
Yes, please.
Do you want your drinks to be Coke?
Iced coffee, original, please. Original.
Ice coffee. Anything additional po?
McFlurry matcha.
McFlurry matcha. Is that for us?
Yes, please.
Anything else po?
2 pieces, please. Matcha Oreo.
Matcha Oreo lang.
2 pieces.
Oh, 2 pieces. Anything else po?
Anything else you did?
I think that's all po. Thank you
Okay,
po.
Dad. Love you.
Thank
I
you po.
love you.
Thank you. Bye, Sadin.
Ha? First window na lang po.
Okay po. Thank you.
Hello, my darlings.
Kaya pala. Are you enjoying?
Thank you po.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Good morning, my darling. Sinakay ako ni Daddy doon sa front. Thank you. Of course. Is this for Dad? Close mo na. Bye.